Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. Now today we will start from addition, that is the word problems of addition and subtraction. Ramesh asked to Mohan and Shyam to solve the following problem. He also announced it. Ramesh said, I bought a bed for rupees 24,500. रमेश ने एक बैट परचेज किया था, उसकी प्राइस थी 24,500. A table for rupees 7,800 and a chair for rupees 4,500. What is the total cost of things I have bought? रमेश को अब कैलकुलेशन करनी है. We have to tell the total of bed, table and chair. तो मोहन और श्याम ने क्या किया था, दोनों ने अपनी अपनी कैलकुलेशन सॉल्व करके बताई थी. कॉस्ट ऑफ द बेड दैट इज 24,500, कॉस्ट ऑफ द टेबल दैट इज 7,800 एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ द चेयर दैट इज 4,500. तो टोटल इसकी कॉस्टिंग क्या हुई, 36,800. तो जो मोहन की कैलकुलेशन थी वो एज कंपेयर टू श्याम वो रॉन्ग कैलकुलेशन थी. ये एकदम परफेक्ट राइट कैलकुलेशन है एंड दिस इज दी रॉन्ग कैलकुलेशन. यहां पे क्या बोल रहा है, 2,57,300, बट जो टोटल करेक्ट सोल्यूशन था दैट इज 36,800. चेक द मेथड दे फॉलोइंग एंड टेल whose answer is correct. Shyam answer is correct as compared to Mohan. You can see that Mohan did not follow the place value correctly. जो मोहन ने place values लिखी थी वो correctly mention नहीं की थी. So he went wrong in her calculation. तो उसकी जो calculation थी वो भी wrong थी. Let us learn how to write numbers using place value. तो students हम ये understand करेंगे what is the place value. हम हमेशा कहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे, फ्रॉम ones. ones that is O, tens that is T, okay, tens, then 100, HUNDRED, that is 100, then 1000, that is TH, then 10,000, then TTH, then let, that is L, and then 10 lakh, that is TL. So this is the place value: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and this is lakh and 10 lakh. Okay students, this is the place value chart. You have to draw in your maths notebook. ये आपको अपनी maths notebook के अंदर draw करना है. Now move to the next example. Ones number in ones number and tens number in tens number. जो वंस नंबर होंगे वो वंस प्लेस पे होंगे और जो टेंस नंबर होंगे वो टेंस प्लेस पे होंगे. 100 नंबर्स इन 100 नंबर्स, जो 100 नंबर होंगे वो 100 नंबर की प्लेस वैल्यू पे होंगे एंड 1000 नंबर इन थाउजेंड्स प्लेस वैल्यू. you can see ones, tens, 100, and this is the 1000. That is 2453. Next one is 5432, and the third one is 3459. We have to do addition. 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 plus 4, it will be 5 plus 9, it will be 14, and 1 carry over here. 5 plus 1, it will be 6. 6 plus 3, it will be 9. 9 plus 5, it will be 14. 4 plus 4, it will be 8. 8 plus 4, it will be 12. And 12 plus 1, it will be 13. Next, 2 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And 6 plus 5, it will be 11. So students, you have to do this example in your maths notebook. Now move to the next, that is the subtraction. Ram asked to Sohan that can you subtract 2469 from 5426. Ram ने सोहन को बोला you have to do subtraction from 5426 minus 2469. We have to take borrow from 5. It will be 16. This is 11, 13 and 4. 16 minus 9, it will be 7. 11 minus 6, it will be 5. 13 minus 4, it will be 9. And 4 minus 2, it will be 2. That is 2957. So, since 6 is the smaller than 9, तो हमने क्या किया, हमने कैरी लिया from 5. Now move towards the exercise. That is exercise 2. We have to do addition. 2 plus 6, it will be 8. 4 plus 5, it will be 9. 9 plus 0, it will be 9. And 2 plus 1, it will be 3. Next, 1 plus 9, it will be 10. 3 plus 2, 5. And 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 6, it will be 10. 7 plus 1, 8. And 8 plus 1, 9. Now move to the next one. 5 plus 6, it will be 11. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. And 6 plus 3, it will be 9. Next, 5 plus 6, it will be 11. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1, carry over here. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now move to the next one. From fifth part, we have to do subtraction. 0 में से 6 नहीं जाता है. We have to take carry from 5. It will be 9, 9 and 4. 10 minus 6, it will be 4. 9 minus 4, it will be 5. 9 minus 1, it will be 8. 4 minus 3, it will be 1. Now move to the next part. 8 minus 3, it will be 5. 0 minus 0, it will be 0. Again 8 minus 3, it will be 5. And 8 minus 5, it will be 3. Now 6th and 7th part is your homework. You have to do yourself. Okay, Move to the next question, that is add the following number. Now we have to arrange in the place value, then we have to do addition. Question number second. Add the following. First we have to write in the place value, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, that is 8,000, 8,725, then 907. 7 plus 5, it will be 12. 1 carry over here. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 plus 7, it will be 16. 1 carry over here. Then 8 plus 1, it will be 9. Now move to the next question, that is the second part. Again we have to write in the place value, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, that is 7,685, 2,108. 8 plus 5, it will be 13. 1 carry over here. 8 plus 1, 9. And 6 plus 1, 7. And 7 plus 2, it will be 9. So third part and fourth part is your homework. If you want to take screenshot, you can take, then we will move to the next question. Okay, if you want to take screenshot, you can take, then we will move to the next question, that is question number third. Okay, move to the next question, that is question number third. Subtract the following. We have to do subtraction from 3,944 minus 840. Four minus 0, it will be 4. 4 minus 4, it will be 0. 9 minus 8, it will be 1. And 3 as it is. Now move to the second part. Again we have to do subtraction from 4,817 minus 2,407. 7 minus 7, it will be 0. 1 minus 0, it will be 1. 8 minus 4, it will be 4. And 4 minus 2, it will be 2. That is 2,410. Now move to the third part. $4,999 from 6,000, and fourth part that is 7,986 from 8,344. Students, this two parts is your homework. You have to do yourself in your maths notebook. That's all for today. Thank you, class.